Oh no, it's raining outside. But no worries, it is perfect weather to make the most yummy chocolate mousse. Very easy to make and ready in only 15 minutes. So what are we waiting for? Okay, what do we need? 200 grams dark chocolate, 6 eggs, 6 tablespoons sugar and 2 tablespoons butter. First, cut the butter at room temperature into pieces. Then break the chocolate into chunks and put it in a bowl. Place the bowl on a pan with hot water, without the bottom of the bowl touching the water. Let the chocolate melt gently. You can also melt the chocolate in a microwave if that is easier for you. Meanwhile, break the eggs and separate the yolks from the whites. Keep an eye on your chocolate in the meantime. Put the egg whites and the sugar together in a bowl and beat it until stiff peaks form. If you hold the bowl upside down, it should stay in there. Once the chocolate has melted, remove it from the heat and let it cool a bit. Then add the egg yolks one by one to the melted chocolate. Stir well, add the butter and stir some more. Now add the whipped egg whites and fold gently with a spatula until it's all mixed, but do not stir. Pour the mousse in a large bowl or in 6 smaller bowls and refrigerate it about 2 or 3 hours. Then it's ready to eat and time to feast. Yummy! You can serve the mousse garnished with fresh raspberries or grated chocolate and whipped cream if you wish. Bon appetit! So, this was it for today. Let us know how the mousse succeeded and if you enjoyed it. See you at our next video and don't forget to like, share and subscribe with the bell on. Bye!